Today we will discuss about Windows 10 PowerToys. Okay, wait guys, we are just starting the video. Namaskar, Sat Sri Akal, Adab and hello friend. My name is Surjit and you're watching your own YouTube channel Universal Paji. So we are back with our technology related videos and today we will be discussing Windows 10 PowerToys. Wow, again so much excitement, even I'm excited. So let's start today's video. So recently Microsoft added PowerToys new feature that I'm really very excited about. And this one is just updated 3 days ago. As you can see on the screen that it says that this particular version is released 3 days ago. Guys, PowerToys is something that I'm using from Windows XP time, and this helps in many ways while handling Windows and helps to boom your productivity by multitasking. So I have given this link in the description below from where you can download this Windows 10 PowerToys. So you just need to scroll down and here is the setup file, PowerToys setup 0.24.0.64-bit exe. Okay, so this one is the file that you need to download. I have already installed it. Simply install it the way you used to, and once it's installed it will be available here, PowerToys preview. Click on it and now you just need to double click the PowerToys icon and it will launch the application. So the very first screen is the general screen wherein you can set that you want to run this particular PowerToy always an admin. You can toggle between on and off here by using the button. Other than that, we also have the appearance and behavior setting theme here wherein you can select dark, light or system default. So I will be selecting dark because it's gonna give enhanced text on the screen. Other than that, you can also set to run this at startup or not. It's all your choice whether you want to run manually by clicking in the Windows menu, or you want to start this particular application at startup. And this one is a normal feature that you can check for updates whether any new update is available or not. So this one is the general screen, and also here you can see the definition written as that PowerToys is a set of utilities for power users to tune and streamline their Windows experience for greater productivity. So let's go one by one and see what exactly is available in these tabs. So the first one is color picker. As the name suggests, it will pick the color. Now what exactly that means? So whenever you are editing using Adobe Photoshop or any kind of other editing software, you know that color representation is very much important while you are selecting, right? So it's already enabled as you can see. So now you can set the shortcut by just clicking it here and select the shortcut keys that you want to use. So here on the screen it says that Windows Shift and C. So let me press Windows Shift and C on my keyboard. So you can see that the hexadecimal and RGB code is available on the screen. So if I take it to any particular color, you can see that RGB and the hex number is changing, right? So wherever I will toggle, I want to select this particular color, so it gonna give me the respective RGB and hex value for this particular color. So this one is very much important while you are copying or while you are trying to get colors while editing. So very interesting and very useful tool. The next one is fancy zones. Helps you in multitasking. So it's already enabled. So let me click on launch zones editor. So here I can see that what's the layout I want for my desktop. Okay, so let me give you an example by selecting columns. Okay, let me apply it. It's applied. Now to set this particular window in the required layout, what I will do, I will click the shift key and then drag this one. So you can see in the background that it's written 1, 2 and 3. So I want to set it in 1. So what I will do, I will click it here. Similarly, let me click shift again, drag it. So I can drag it here in 2. Let me launch another one. Now if I want to drag it here, so you can see that equally it's distributed. So there are so many options available for these zones editor, wherein you can also make your custom zones, whether you want something, a smaller window as per your requirement or as per your ease. So this feature is very good. So you can see that my screen is divided into 3 windows and I can work on respective windows individually while not disturbing the other window. So this is very helpful. Other than that, there are so many behaviors available that you can pick as per your taste, like use a non-primary mouse button to toggle zone activation. There are so many things available here that you can check as per your taste. The next one is File Explorer. So this particular File Explorer, when enabled, helps to manage your Windows File Explorer customer preview handler. So what exactly that means? In Windows, when I select preview, I have a default preview available here, right? For example, if I select any particular image, it's gonna give me a smaller preview here. Earlier, the preview was not available for SVG files. Now, once it's enabled, you would also get the preview of your SVG files while selecting. So you're gonna get a small preview here, the way I'm getting it for JPG files. The next one is Image Resizer. This one is very important when you want to resize multiple files in a single click. So here you can see on the screen that I have already enabled it. So I have different themes available, that what are the image sizes that I can select or what I can change. So these all are editable. You can easily edit it. You can even add your own size the way you want. And let me show you from where you can get these menus for editing. So in this particular screen, I have many files here, the JPG files. So what I will do, I will select all of them and right click. Here I get the option as resize pictures. I just need to click on it, and you can see here these all are the options that are available here. Okay, so you can see that 854 into 480, all these options are here, and I can add my custom image also or custom size also using any of the metrics provided here. So with a single click, I'm gonna resize the images, and the beauty is that it will not disturb your original pic. It will rename and add the names as the file name format provided here. Let me show you how. On this screen, as you can see that I have selected, I want to resize them at phone. Once I click on resize, you can see it created multiple photos without disturbing my file and resize the file. As on the screen you can see the screen size is shown as 568 into 320, while the original size was 3328 by 1872. So this utility is very much required when you are handling multiple files and you want to resize them all just using a single click. The next one is Keyboard Manager. So it reconfigure your keyboard by remapping keys and shortcuts. What it means? So for an example, if your particular key is not working perfectly, okay, for example my alpha A key is not working, so what I will do, I will remap any other key to act as the key alpha A. So what I need to do, I need to click on this plus sign here. I will prefer typing. So here, if I want to assign any other key, for example I want to assign F key here, and I will map it to A. So now whenever I will press F on my keyboard, it will type the alphabet A. So any particular key that you do not use much, any function key that you want to map, you can use it here. So a particular key will be mapped to another key. Next one is power rename. The way we did it earlier, we were able to resize multiple files. Similarly, what this utility once enabled will do, it will allow multiple files to be renamed. For example, if I select these files here, right click to it and select power rename option, see it's available here. Now I have the window wherein I can search, I can replace, I can rename various files, and it's gonna show me that what was the original name and what the new name would be. And other than that, you can see a number of options available here wherein you can select as per your requirement. For example, if I want to search for the word lemon and replace it with a small space, you can see that the original name was Quick Lemon Oats. However, once it's replaced with a blank, it's gonna be renamed as Quick Oats. Okay, so this is the method wherein you can rename multiple files with a single click as per your taste. You can also select the various options available. It's gonna rename with blink of an eye, and it's very useful. The next one is PowerToys Run. Guys, this one is very interesting and one of my favorite. So what exactly this PowerToys Run do? It's gonna give you a quick launcher where you can search for certain things installed on your computer. For example, I have set this shortcut key as Alt space, so anywhere on your screen, if you press, let me minimize all of them, anywhere on the screen, if I select Alt and space bar, you can see that I have a search bar enabled the way it's available in our phones nowadays. So I can search anything here by typing, and it's gonna give me the particular application name. Okay, so I can search Notepad, I can search Windows. The beauty of it is that you can run that particular application as an admin. You can open the folder where this particular application is installed, and you can also open this particular application in command prompt, that is console, by just clicking on these jazzy and fancy buttons available. So once I click on this one, so you can see that it has given me the complete path, so I do not need to type it while using the command prompt. So you simply need to press Alt space and this search bar is available. The next one is shortcut guide. This one is also very interesting and amazing one. It gonna give you the Windows shortcut keys. So what you have to do, you need to press the Windows key on your keyboard for fraction of seconds. As you can see on the screen that all the shortcuts are available. So you can see the beauty, see how beautifully it's written 1 2 3 4 5 6 here. So any particular application I want to launch, I just need to press the respective button, and here are the shortcut keys that I already pressed using Windows, I just need to press a particular window key here, and that particular application or shortcut would be launched. Let me show you how. I am pressing the I key, so it opened the Windows setting key. So anywhere on the window, you simply need to press Windows key for fraction of seconds and all the shortcut would be available here. So if I click on the number 5, you can see a particular application launched. So this one is very interesting, and you do not need to remember all those shortcuts because it's already available on your screen, and you can select any one of them as per your requirement. The next one is the video conference mute. This one is a newly feature that is added a few days ago. As most of the guys are now working from home, so we are using mic, camera while doing the conference call. So they have added a feature wherein you can mute your camera and microphone with a single click, right? It's very quick and very easy way for a global mute of your microphone and webcam. Okay, so these are the shortcut keys available that you can use to mute or unmute your mic and phone at the same time. So this one is very important if you are working in an environment wherein you need to toggle between on and off your camera and mic. So these are the shortcut keys that you can use to mute or to close your webcam and the microphone. So pretty much from my side, guys, this was a very small, however a very good tutorial about PowerToys setting. I have given the link in the description. So what you guys are waiting for? This one is free from Microsoft, so go ahead and install it and boom your productivity by using the multitasking options available. So you can use as per your requirements. So I think you really enjoyed this video, and you guys know the trick. If you're coming here for the first time, subscribe to our channel so that we can remain motivated to bring more and more tutorials like this. And if you're already a family member, you know what you need to do. You just need to click on the like button, share your valuable comment, any questions you have, and share this video with your loved ones. So let's meet in our next video. Till then, take care, God bless you, keep learning, bye bye.